Hello, children. Our lesson for today is on addition and subtraction of length. Our objective is to add and subtract lengths using mixed units. Now, what are mixed units? Mixed units are when two units are used to tell the exact measurement of an object. For example, if you see this pencil over here, it is 14 centimeters and 2 millimeters in length. I have used two units over here, centimeters and millimeters, to tell the exact length of this object. So means I have used mixed units. We have to remember 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, half meter is equal to 50 centimeters, quarter meter is equal to 25 centimeters. Now here we have a question. The total length of the bendy straw, this straw is 15 centimeters. One side is 8 centimeters. So what is the length of the other side? Now what we can do is we can make our number sentence in two ways. One, using addition. So we can have 8 centimeters plus dash is equal to 15 centimeters. Or we can make it using subtraction. 15 centimeters minus 8 centimeters is equal to whatever your answer would be. Alright? So the other piece is 7 centimeters long. So you can do easy calculation using either of the number sentences. Let's go ahead. Now here's another question. Again, the total length of the straw is 15 centimeters, but one side is 3 centimeters and 5 millimeters. Okay? So we'll make a number sentence. How would it be using addition? 3 centimeters and 5 millimeters plus dash centimeters and dash millimeters will give me total of 15 centimeters. So how do I fill in these gaps? Okay, I have to find that out. Or you can make your number sentence using subtraction in this manner. So let's see how to calculate this using ruler or your number line. So here's a ruler. 15 centimeters right here. So from 15 centimeter, we have to minus 3 centimeters and 5 millimeters. We are going to take our 3 centimeter jump and then a 5 millimeter jump. Something like this. Alright. When we take these jumps, we come to know that our answer is 11 centimeters and 5 millimeters. So the length of this side of the straw is 11 centimeters and 5 millimeters. Now another way to do is to convert everything into the smaller unit. Here the smaller unit is millimeters. See, everything 15 centimeters we have changed to 150 millimeters. Here, this 3 centimeter and 5 millimeters, we have changed it into 35 millimeters, and then we have subtracted and got our answer. Alright, so the other piece is 11 centimeters and 5 millimeters long. Now let's see this question. We have three brushes of different length. Okay. Now, how much longer is the large brush? The large brush is 17.5 centimeters, while the small brush is 8.5 centimeters. We want to know how much longer is this brush. So, what are we supposed to do? Add or subtract? We have to subtract. We will write the two lengths, alright? And let's take a ruler to see how to subtract 8.5 from 17.5. This ruler is up to 20 centimeters. So 17 and a half is right here. Okay. So from 17 and a half, we have to take jumps backwards. How many jumps do we take? We take 8.5 jump. So let's first take a jump of half a centimeter so that it becomes easier to take the rest of the jumps. Why half? Because we have half over here. Alright. So let's take this half jump. So we go from this point to this point. And then we take jumps of 8 centimeters. And when we do that, we reach this point. So, what is the answer to the question? It is 9 centimeters. So, the large brush is 9 centimeters longer than the small one. Let's go ahead with the next question. Now, this question is there in your challenge 3 in your textbook. Now, before we go ahead, let's understand the scale. Here it begins from 470 centimeters and this second line is 480 centimeters, which means these small lines are 1 centimeters each. So let's see 470, 471, 472, 473, 474, 475 in this middle line, then 476, 477, 478, 479 and 480. Now let's go ahead with this question. There are 5 trucks waiting to board the ferry. The scale shows the height of each truck. Which truck is 18 centimeters taller than truck C? Now remember here the main word is taller, which means what is the height of truck C we have to know, and we have to add this 18 centimeters to it. So let's see what is the height of truck C. It is 490 centimeters. So 490 centimeters plus 18 centimeters is equal to 508 centimeters. So we have to find out now which truck is 508 centimeters. Here it is 500 centimeters, but we have to find 508. So we'll go to the next truck. We'll have to count each line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we can see at 508 we have truck A. So the answer is truck A. Let's go to the second question. Now which truck is 25 centimeters short of 5 meters? Now again, the main word here becomes short, which means we have to subtract. Now what are we going to subtract? Here it is 5 meters, which means 500 centimeters. So 500 centimeters minus 25 centimeters will give me the height of the truck. And then I will find out on the scale which truck it is. So let's subtract. 500 centimeters minus 25 centimeters is equal to 475 centimeters. So let's check which one is 475 centimeters. Here it is 470, 471, 472, 473. So 474, 475. So truck E is the answer. Okay, the next question. Which truck is 26 centimeters shorter than truck A? Again, the main word here becomes shorter. Truck A. Let's see the height of truck A. We have already found out over here it was 508 centimeters. So 508 centimeters minus 26 centimeters will give me the height of the other truck. So the answer is 482 centimeters. Let's find out where is that truck. So 480 centimeters is here, 481, 482. So the truck is truck D. Now last one. I want you to pause the video and find the answer to this. Think, use your observation skills as well and find the answer. Then play the video again to find out whether your answer is correct or not. Alright, so our question is, what is the difference in the height between trucks A and E? Difference means we have to subtract. So truck A, if you see over here, is given already. So 508 centimeter. Truck E, we had already find it out. 475 centimeters. So 508 centimeters minus 475 centimeters is equal to 33 centimeters. I hope all of you all have got your answer correct. Alright, let's go to the next question. Now this question is already there in your practice booklet. If you want, you can complete it over there. The first question is, how far apart are the boats? Which means we have to find out this distance. Now they have given this in centimeters. This ruler is in centimeters. Alright. So we can directly count the centimeters over here. So from here to here is 1 centimeter and from here to here is half a centimeter. So how far apart are these boats? They are 1.5 centimeter apart. Let's see the next question. What is the difference in the lengths of the two boats? If you see, these boat models have not been kept correctly on the ruler. It is not starting from 0 point. Okay, this they have done only to make it challenging for you. So how are we going to count? We have to count between these numbers. We know from 5 to 6, this is 1 centimeter. Then 6 to 7, again here, this is 1 centimeter. Again, 7 to 8, it is 1 centimeter. So we are going to count like this to know what is the length of this boat. So 1, 2 and 3. So the length of this boat is 3 centimeters. Now similarly, let's see the length of this boat. If you notice, this is not on these larger lines. It is on the smaller lines. But the distance between this line and this line is also 1 centimeters. Correct? If you only see this point to this point, it is half. And this point to this point, it is again half. Correct? So this point to this point becomes 1. That is half plus half will give you 1. So let's do counting from this point to this point and see what is the length of this boat. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the length of this boat model is 4 centimeters. Now we have to find difference. When you say difference, you have to subtract. Yes. So 4 centimeters minus 3 centimeters gives me 1 centimeter. So that's all with the lesson today. Have a nice day.